Hi friends, my name is Rishikesh Kanse and today I am here to discuss about the wrapper classes in Java. The wrapper class in Java provides the mechanism to convert a primitive into the object and object into the primitive. Since J2SE 5.0, autoboxing and unboxing features convert primitives into object and objects into primitives automatically. The automatic conversion of primitive into object is known as autoboxing and vice versa unboxing. Use of wrapper classes in Java. Java is an object-oriented programming language, so we need to deal with the object many times, like in collection, serialization, and synchronization. Let us see the different scenarios where we need to use wrapper classes. Change the value in method. Java supports only by call value. So if we pass a primitive value, it will not change the original value. But if we convert the primitive value in an object, it will change the original value. Serialization. We need to convert the objects into streams to perform the serialization. If we have a primitive value, we can convert it object through the wrapper classes. The synchronization. Java synchronization works with object in multi-threading. Java.util package. The Java.util package provides the utility classes to deal with the objects. Collection framework. Java collection frameworks works with the objects only. All classes of the collection framework, array list, linked list, vector, hash set, linked hash set, tree set, priority queue, array queue, etc. deal with the objects only. The 8 classes of the java.lang package are known as wrapper classes in Java. The list of 8 wrapper classes is: the primitive is boolean, wrapper class is boolean, primitive char, and in wrapper class is character, in primitive byte, in wrapper class is byte, short is short, int is integer, long is long, float is float, and double is double. Autoboxing. The automatic conversion of primitive data type into its corresponding wrapper classes is known as autoboxing. For example, byte to byte, char to character, int to integer, long to long, float to float, boolean to boolean, double to double, and short to short. Since Java 5 do not need to use the value of method of wrapper classes to convert the primitive into object. Unboxing. The automatic conversion of wrapper types into its corresponding primitive type is known as unboxing. It is the reverse process of autoboxing. Since Java 5 we do not need to use the int value method, the method of wrapper classes, to convert the wrapper type into primitive. Java wrapper classes and the Java wrapper custom wrapper classes in Java. The Java wrapper classes wrap the primitive data types. That is why it is known as wrapper classes. We can use also create a class which wraps a primitive data type. So we can create a custom wrapper class in Java. So we have to use unboxing and autoboxing in wrapper classes. The automatic conversion in primitive data type into a corresponding its type is known as wrapper class. In wrapper class is known as autoboxing, and the 8 classes of Java packages are known as wrapper classes. So thank you.